Step into an extraordinary gilding workshop designed for creative exploration, led by Deanne Lenehan, a seasoned professional with over 20 years in the decorative art world. Painting images on a gilded surface is an ancient art form with traditions that range from delicate cranes painted on Japanese screens to the extraordinary grotesque painted walls of the Luxembourg Palace in France. In this hands-on class, whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find your workspace complete with the necessary tools and materials. With a central demonstration area, there's ample room for hands-on learning and interaction. You'll dive into techniques like creating repeat patterns over a surface, cutting stencils, and selecting paints for gilded surfaces. There are key skills involved in sealing and preserving your work, which will also be covered, ensuring that each art piece you make is built to last.
Gilding is a fundamental skill to have as a decorative artist. It's an timeless technique where you apply metal to a surface, whether it be furniture, walls, artwork. And so knowing what approach is best is also important. You'll also get into learning how to do a repeat pattern. In the case of the panel that I'm going to be teaching here, this was done for a dining room client where I created a handmade stencil, drew it by hand and cut it. And so you're learning gilding, you're learning cutting stencils, you're learning drop heat patterns, you're learning what paints are best for what gilt surfaces, how to seal your work, how to preserve it. So there's a lot of different general universal skills that you're going to learn just by taking this one class that can apply in different areas.
Dee combines her talents with skills honed from her years as a high school art teacher, where she mastered the art of organization and effective communication. With a background in art education from Towson University and further studies at the Pratt Institute and in Europe, she brings a wealth of knowledge and an impressive resume, including numerous show houses and industry partnerships. This workshop is more than a class. It's an invitation to elevate your decorative art skills and explore the transformative power of gilding. Join us and take your artistry to new heights. Dee is eager to share her gilded surfaces expertise, which will be featured at the IDAL convention from November 3rd to 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. Please click the links below and find out more about this unique class.